All these were actually all started from seed. Same with, not the pepper plants. I'm not gonna lie, those pepper plants, we did buy those. Cucumbers, we bought that one. Bought that one. The others are seeds. Strawberries we bought. Onions, seeds. Got carrots over there that are starting up. That doing in seeds. All the carrots over there were seeds. All the radishes were seeds. We're actually growing these radishes out to seed out. Lettuce was done from seeds. Got blueberry, raspberry, starting to get up. Everything out here was done with seeds. Those are all green beans, corn, green beans, and pumpkin. Also got pumpkin in the back over here. Pumpkin in the back over there. Corn on the back side over here, and another little row of corn. All that done with seeds this year. Same with the squash. I've had the rosemary, and I believe it's thyme. I can't remember exactly what that one is, but I've had that for a while. Potatoes started this year, actually doing extremely well. Starting to flower, which is an excellent thing. Brussels sprouts, they're doing okay. Something's getting them, so I need to come out here. And yeah, anyways, from the race cars to the farm, that's how we do it.